You've just bought a high-quality LED strip, and the time has come to cut it to length. You can't wait to illuminate your strip and brighten your home, but you can't help worrying that by cutting your LEDs, you'll ruin them. Watch the rest of the video to gain the confidence you need to make the cut. The first thing that you'll need to understand is that you cannot cut just anywhere on the strip. You should only cut across the solder pads. The space between the solder pads varies from strip to strip. Strips with a smaller distance can generally be cut closer to the exact length of your object. When installing LEDs without a profile, simply hold the strip to the surface you're planning to stick them to, and select the most suitable increment. When attaching LEDs to a mounting plate, simply position them to find the most suitable increment. When you know you won't be using your offcut, you can make the soldering easier by cutting off center. This will leave a larger area on the pads to work with. Some profiles do not use a mounting plate. In this case, the same principles apply. Although we do recommend using wire cutters, an ordinary pair of scissors gets the job done. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.